Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see Flutter ChatGPT demo. So what is ChatGPT? So first of all, what you can do is simply go to pub.dev and install this package called ChatGPT API. Copies these dependencies and now you can paste it in your pubspec.yaml and save it into your system. So after that, what you can do is you will get this function. So let's write this thing where you have to get the builder and where you have to get this token. You can get this token from this link, which is openai.com. Get the link and then let's start the video. Okay, so now as you can see, we have simply our text form field where we can put the text that we want. And so let's write a function. So for the function, we'll give it a text completion function. Okay, and what we can do is we can get the string that is our user input string. Okay, so now what we can do is for the loading purpose, we will write set state and is loading to true, and then what we can do is we can write completion equal to await, and we can use our chat gpt dot we get our text completion function. And now as you can see, it takes in the request. We'll write async as it is our future type request. So now as you can see, it takes in a request which is our completion request. So what we can do is we can simply write completion request, and here the prompt will be our user input. Okay, so prompt will be our user input, and other thing is it takes in the token or the max token. What you can see, let's give it a max token of 256. And now let's write the set state that is our loading to false. Okay, so let's just save the app now. So we'll write this function. We can use this function in our text form field. Now as you can see here, we have the field submitted, and inside this we can use our text completion function, and the value will be our user input value. Okay, so to show the value, we'll get the value from this completion object. Okay, so this completion will have our request. So what we can do is we can simply our printed request. So before that, we can check if our completion is not equal to null, then we can simply use our completion, that is completion, or we can write it in the string completion dot, and we get the choices, that is the list of choices. As you can see here, list of choices. So inside list of choices, what we can do is simply write not equal to null because it is going to not null, and inside the choices at the first index we'll have the text. This is in the form of string, which will have the result of our question. Okay, so the choices will also be not null. And now let's just save the app. So now as you can see, our basic app is ready. So now let's try the chat GPT. So we can ask anything, or let's try it out. Let's write something, or let's ask it to write a song on candle. Let's try this out. So as you can see, it's loading. So we are showing our circular progress indicator when it is loading. Okay, so here we go. So now we have a song on a candle. Good. So as you can see here, we can use it. Let's compare this to Google now. Okay, so we'll try to ask something to a Google. So let's ask Google like okay, is Thanos alive? So as you can see, we have a result here. Now let's ask the same to our ChatGPT. Is Thanos alive? So now it's loading and let's wait for the answer. Okay, so now we have the response as a yes. Thanks. Okay, so we have a spelling mistakes. We'll write Thanos. Okay, so let's try it again. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so as the ChatGPT says, no, Thanos is not alive. He was killed at the end of the Avengers Endgame. Okay, so that is great. So hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel and try this ChatGPT. It's kind of fun. So and see you in the next video.